Havdalah wine for and women. Okay. It is customary for women not to drink from a Havdalah wine. One reason is based on Kabbalah, which said that the Eitz Hadas, according to one opinion, was a grape wine. Chava was considered the one who fought for the sin. And since Adam and Chava were expelled from Gan Eden on Motzei Shabbos, all women who are spiritually connected to Chava do not drink from wine on Motzei Shabbos. This is an additional reason for women do not make Achion Havdalah. Okay, so it's Kabbalistically. Okay, so let's try to understand. So it's very, very interesting Kabbalistic explanation. So why women do not make the drink Havdalah? Usually just so we know, Kiddush from wine from Kiddush, everybody usually drink. It's not there is no obligation, just but the custom, like everybody would drink the wine from the Kiddush, right? A little, so even few drops you put in everybody's like glass, and you add the wine from the bottle. There is no problem. It's considered as they drank from Kiddush wine, right? But Havdalah usually only one person drinks. The one who made Havdalah, he cannot drink for whatever reason, so he can give to somebody else, but only one man drinks, right? But so what is the problem? What is the Kabbalistic reason? The Kabbalistic reason is that Chava, right, the wife of the Adam, the first man, so she gave him the fruit. And according to there is like 5 opinions of what this fruit was. So according to one opinion, it was wine, grapes. Right? So since all of the women spiritually connected to Chava, so they do not drink wine on Motzei Shabbos. Why? Because Motzei Shabbos, 1 second. This is an additional reason. I mean, because they were expelled from Shabbos because of this wine. So now you want to remind them exactly this time drink again. That's not what you want to do. This is additional reason for a woman do not make her own Havdalah. Again, so try to hear from somebody else, but it's not, as we said, we do not decide the law based on a Havdalah. So here's another answer based on our previous class, right? We do not. We go by Shulchan Aruch. So Shulchan Aruch is Mishnah Brura says that you can drink the wine, so you can drink the wine. Is it preferable not to drink and hear from somebody else? Yes. However, in situation where a woman must make her own Havdalah, she should drink from the wine. So I mean, you cannot say a blessing and not to drink. That's the thing. So if you said the blessing, you must drink. This is because as a rule, halacha overrides Kabbalah, and halacha dictates that one use the wine for Havdalah to drink. So of course, if 1 second, let me check. It does not say here, but technically, so if person does not have a wine, right, for Havdalah, technically. We can do Havdalah on a beverage of the country, whatever country you live in, and there is an important beverage, Hamar Medina. It's called Hamar Medina. So beverage, Medina is not kind, it's province, whatever it means. So province or country. So for example, what was the important drink? So important drink, it's a drink that you would invite your neighbor, your fellow to come over, right? So for men, well, maybe beer, right? So beer is a respected drink. It's like glass of water. Nobody invites somebody, let's have a cup of water, like a glass of water. Usually don't. I mean, if somebody is thirsty, of course, you're going to give them a cup of water. There is no problem. But coffee, for example, right? Tea, juices, this orange juice or something, right? So all of these are considered to be beverage of the country. So technically, after the fact, if you do not have any other drink, if you don't have wine, if you don't have a grape juice, which is like top choice, so you can make the Havdalah on coffee or tea. But that it's a second best choice, right? But so if she would say, no, I don't want to drink wine, I better do it in coffee, even though she has wine or grape juice, so it's not proper. So even though Kabbalah says this, but we're going by halacha, what Shulchan Aruch said, not by Kabbalah. So if there is no contradiction and this Kabbalah is a little stringent, so yeah, you can apply, there is no problem. But if it's like totally different, so we go by halacha. It's very interesting. Okay. So one more time, if a woman has no choice, so she must do over the wine and drink the wine, no problem.